Hello, here is a short video on how to hook up your Ditto looper to your Digitech effects processor to your guitar and amp. So real quick, and it is really quick, I have my, here we go, my guitar hooked up to the input in the Digitech. Then in the output, I have the short cord going into the Ditto. And then on the output of the Ditto, I have that going up to the amp. Okay. So that's step one, just get it hooked up. Step two, let's start with the Ditto. The Ditto is really super simple to use. Basically, you're gonna press one time to record, then one time to play, and then if you want to loop over something, you'll push again, and I'll show you how to do that. If you want to stop, you just simply press twice. Once it's stopped, if you press and hold, it's going to clear everything out that you recorded. Okay, now let's go ahead and start with simple. So let's start with drums. So I'm going to hit the drum button. Okay, and I want to, if I wanted to change the pattern, I'm simply going to hit edit, and you'll notice things changing. You want that light to come over here to pattern. So we're just going to keep pushing that until it comes over to pattern. There we go. And from here, I'm on 22, but you can select a multitude of different drums. Okay, if you want to edit the tempo, the higher the number, the quicker the tempo. Okay, and to get into all the different features, there is a manual online that you can download. So I would definitely suggest downloading that and going through it and then just playing. Now let's go ahead and drop this tempo down. There we go. So from here, you would just take your foot and it's recording. See the red light on? It's recording the drums right now. That's going to be my background for when I want to practice. Okay. Say that's enough. We just hit once, turn our drums off, and now it's playing through the Ditto. If we wanted to stop, press twice, and that just means it's stopped, it's paused. You want to play, press it again with your foot. Okay, now for the volume level, there's your volume level right there. I'm going to turn it down just so you can kind of hear what I'm saying. So from this point, I want to go to my preset levels, and I am on 35. Now you can choose different preset levels. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's find out what 40 sounds like. So you can just play around with those. You can also change the preset levels with this knob as well. So we're going to go ahead and start, and I am going to just simply play an E chord, and I am going to record over my guitar. Stop recording, simply press the Ditto, and now you hear the guitar's in there. I'm not playing. Now at this point, if we wanted to stop, Just press twice, play, press once. Now, this last recording that we did, if we wanted to undo it, we can press and hold. And that will take out the guitar and just bring the drums only. Now, if we wanted to redo it, bring that guitar back in, we press and hold again. Now at this point, I'm just going to play around. Simply push the button when we're ready. Stop playing. We're gonna stop, and it's just playing everything that I just did. Now if I want to add in an, I don't know, E5 chord, or I just find some chords or a certain little now I'm just playing. And this is just if it's E5 or E7, A7, second fret, second string down, and then strum the top two strings. And then second fret, third string down, strum your second and third string. Get rid of that little slide in there. So we're gonna just press and hold. That slide's gone. And then all you have is the drums and the E chord again. If you want to get rid of the E, press and hold again. Now bring the, if you want to bring that slide back, you just press and hold again. Now let's say you want to get rid of all this. Press twice to stop. You'll see the green light flashing. And then just press and hold. There you go. Completely blank slate to start something new. I hope this video helps somebody, and happy playing.